Welcome to TiE Boston. Welcome to our signature event.
Look, I believe that trust fundamentally is the glue that holds organizations together. It holds personal relationships together. It holds professional relationships together. And when you do it well, everything is possible.
I'd like to begin by first acknowledging that I'm delighted to see so many women in this room.
I don't think of myself as a female CEO. I think of myself as a CEO, right? And in Boston is creating a pipeline of people that are entering the workforce that have a lot of different diverse talents and experiences. When you start a company and you want to take that company from 0 customers to 500 to 1,000 to 2,000, it's never a straight line and up and to the right. It's always zigzag. And I think the commitment and the loyalty and the longevity that you get with resources that you hire in the Boston area is more so than I think in Silicon Valley. It really does take a combination of passion and perseverance, right? It doesn't matter how great your idea is, it's going to be hard work. There's just no escaping that. There's going to be a bunch of things you're going to get wrong before you'll get a few things right, and you just have to keep working at it.
The opportunity for Boston is to pull together this unbelievable population of postdocs, of students, of universities, but then have that magic Silicon Valley feel for entrepreneurial activity and that intensity.
Together, I call this a Swiss Army knife kind of an approach, because in one Swiss Army knife, you have multiple tools. So whether, depending on what the asset is, what the company is, what the opportunity is, we can deploy any of these ways of doing deals with companies.